95% of website lead generation fails. Here's how to steal your traffic back. Free tool below. What if I told you 95% of the people visiting your website right now are ghosts, no names, no emails, no way to stop them from vanishing forever, but your competitors, they're laughing because they're stealing those ghosts and turning them into their paying customers. Here's the truth. Your ads, your SEO, your lead gen hustle, wasted. If you can't identify website visitors, you're just burning cash. But today, I'll show you how 3,000 agencies use a free tool, link below, to unmask every anonymous visitor, even if they never fill out a form. Grab their email, company, and exactly what they clicked on. Retarget them so hard they'll beg to buy. Last month, a gym owner used this tool to track 483 visitors who ghosted his pricing page. He sent one email, closed 17 new members. The end result was 8,500 in 3 short days. Another user, a SaaSfounder, retargeted 41 anonymous CEOs who ignored his forms. Then he landed a huge $47K contract. This isn't luck, it is TrafficID. The best part, you can try TrafficID free for 7 days. No credit card, no risk. But warning, this offer disappears in 24 hours. Why? Because your competitors don't want you watching this. The link to the free tool is below in the video description. Click it, install the 30-second script, and by tomorrow, you'll know the CEO who visited your pricing page 6 times, the 23 employees from IBM researching your product, the mom and pop shop ready to buy if you just ask, or don't. Keep letting your traffic bleed. Keep letting competitors rob you blind. Keep wondering why your lead generation feels like a bad magic trick. Your call. But if you're ready to turn ghosts into gold, the free tool's below. Click it now before your competition does.